Hello, I'm here again. This is my composition, my entry in spoken word poetry batch 2. And the theme is me, myself, and I. Who really I am? Who am I? To know me well, does it count? To some, it may not. To others, it may be important. I am a true friend to each and everyone. I was a classroom teacher once upon a time. I became a businesswoman by chance. But my heart craved to be a writer, which I always put in my mind. I examined myself. Am I endowed with talent to become a poetic woman? Geniuses are born, but writers can be made is a byline. I gathered words, developed a topic, and wrote my ideas in rhymes. I listened to the sound of my heart when I was still young. I look around, I look above, many beautiful things made me smile. The white cumulus clouds, the beautiful rainbow, and the twinkling stars. All God's pretty things console me when I am sad and down. Oh, are they not enough materials which in writing I can jot down? God will be glad. If His pretty things, I will give importance. I got my pen and became a pen pusher for quite a time. I'm grateful that God gave me the skill and the talent to scribble some lines. Practice makes one perfect, though blunders and errors are seen by the eyes. But my heart leaps with joy as ideas keep coming as time goes by. I was once a pessimist, thinking I am inadequate to reach a dream which is so high. Should I remain like that all in my lifetime? No, life is full of challenges. A pessimist will be left behind. I developed myself till an optimist I had become. I would be a writer, that was my dream in the past and my desire till now. After years of yearning where I am now, here I am with my poems, with my books, I write for everyone. So happy I am when I find people smile. Because I also write jokes, I can't always be sentimental. Life has many angles. A writer must have a wider view to serve the interests of many, not only one. Yes, I have been a school teacher and a businesswoman in the past till now. But writing is my life. Taking it away from me, I will never allow. Who am I? You know now. A writer of jokes, a sentimental writer, is me, myself, and I. Thank you.